Hey guys, Caitlin here, and I'm outside in my backyard. And yeah, I am hanging out with my dog, Daisy. Oh, 'cause I'm a champ. Meet Daisy. That's Daisy. She is technically my dog, but my mom says, oh no, it's Dad's dog. And my dad even says that she's my dog. And my Dad thought it would be cool if I had a dog that was technically kind of the same age as me and stuff. So yeah, Daisy's my little pup. We're technically kind of like the same age. But in dog years, Daisy is 1 year older than me. And she is a sweetie pie. I also have a dog inside. His name is Jet. And he'll hug me, and I have to go through a dog kennel. So, yeah. This is Jetty Boy. Say hi, Jet. Jet is a sweetie pie too. And we're going to leave it for this video. Ta-ta!